Is that the end of the bull market? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, January the 4th, 2021. And of course, today's update is being brought to you by our friends at Family Farms and, of course, our new partners that we can't wait to get out on the road with and do some educating and helping our farming friends better handle their crops and meats as we can see what's happening in the markets today. But overall, we are still in lockdown. But the markets, wow, they were up huge overnight and looked like they were going to Pluto after Friday's rally. And suddenly, out of nowhere, they've made a dramatic reversal. And now the Dow is down a couple of hundred and the S&P is down about 20. And we're still long. But overall, it was just a total basic meltdown from the tops there. And the question is this the end? Well, again, we don't predict that. We're just saying, we're still long. And we won't reverse, but there are some concerns. And of course, you saw the big blow off this morning. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens later. We'll see how happens as the day goes on. But certainly, as I texted out early this morning, I felt that we would see some negative pricing on the day before the day was over. I didn't realize it would come by 10 o'clock in the morning. In the meantime, the metals were going crazy to the upside as well. Now, they're still significantly higher, but they've come back, quite a bit from their overall highs. But I mean, gold was up over $50. So it didn't, and we're still long across the board there. The bonds and notes are still a little bit lower. We're still long. Nat gas is a little bit higher. Copper is higher significantly. However, it was much higher and has given back a number of its gains as well. Crude is on both sides of unchanged. It is a very wild trade today. Right now, it's slightly lower, but by the time you hear this, it could be slightly higher. The dollar is getting smushed once again, and I would not be surprised to see the dollar reverse later. You've seen obviously some very, very big moves here early, and we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the day. I mean, again, we don't predict. We are where we are, but there has been some very good blow-off opportunities to trade. And, of course, the beans were up over 30 cents this morning. They're now up 15. They've come back quite a bit. In fact, somebody asked me if we should roll. I said, let's wait and see what happens. Of course, we should roll. But in the meanwhile, you've got corn, which is now negative, which was up almost at $5 this morning, and wheat is now down on the day. So we've had some dramatic turns here in all markets, and of course the meats, cattle are both lower, fats and feeders we're still long, and hogs are higher, which we're still long as well. Overall, it's a wild trading day, and we'll have to let the noise settle first before looking. Our positions will not change today, and then the softs, pretty much higher across the board, and we're long. Cotton higher, OJ higher, coffee higher, sugar we reversed this morning and it's higher, and cocoa is higher. So again, but it could have all changed since I last looked. This has been a relatively wild market, and of course, this is what we're going to see as we see the opening of the brand new year, and we'll get a seeing of where we're going to be. At the end of the day, that's what we've got, and there's not much to talk about. So we will say, this is Bubba's Daily Update, and of course, don't forget about our brokerage partners. Now, we do have other brokerage accounts, but CTG for futures and commodities, and of course, they have a great product. They do my trading for me. They are the only ones authorized for our letter of direction trading, and they've got some brand new great managed futures products. You may want to check them out. And of course, for equities and options, it's Tradier. Again, first of all, it's $10 a month. Second of all, we're going to offer you on Saturday, the 9th, a 6-session training course for options, which I'll be doing for you. So if you have interest in that, just send me an email at bubba@bubbatrading.com. And of course, don't forget our commodity report with Andy Heck. The quarterlies were phenomenal. And of course, he does a great job writing that. So if you want to check that out, let me know. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And as we thought, last night's Sunday night game would be a pig, and it was. In fact, there's a lot of conspiracy theories going on. In the meantime, there is no more football till the weekend. Now the playoffs are here. Have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow with another one. Have a great day.